Is a recession looming, and you're wondering how to navigate it without sinking? Whether it's job security, rising costs, or uncertain times, the question isn't just how to survive, it's how to thrive. In this video, we'll uncover 10 practical tips to help you recession-proof your life, safeguard your finances, and come out stronger than ever. Let's dive straight into it. Your future self will thank you. Number 1. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your safety net during uncertain times. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Start by putting aside small amounts from every paycheck. Consistency is more important than the amount. Use automatic transfers to make saving effortless. If saving feels overwhelming, begin with a goal of 1 month's expenses and gradually build up. Avoid dipping into this fund for non-essentials. It's reserved for genuine emergencies like unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or sudden unemployment. An emergency fund not only gives you financial security, but also reduces stress and allows you to make decisions with a clear mind during challenging times. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you save that ensures your survival and success. Number 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Tightening your budget is crucial during a recession. Begin by tracking every penny you spend over a month. This helps you identify where your money is going. Categorize your spending into needs and wants. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and healthcare, while wants include streaming services, dining out, and impulse buys. Cut or reduce spending on non-essentials. For example, swap daily coffee runs for home-brewed coffee or cancel unused subscriptions. Be mindful of small expenses. They add up over time. Adopt money-saving habits like meal prepping, using coupons, or shopping during sales. This isn't about depriving yourself. It's about prioritizing your future. By cutting unnecessary expenses, you free up resources to build savings or pay off debt, giving you financial stability when it matters most. Number 3. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single income source during a recession can be risky. Explore additional ways to earn money to cushion yourself against uncertainties. Start with skills or hobbies you already have. Can you tutor, freelance, or sell products online? Platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, or Uber provide flexible earning opportunities. If you're unsure where to begin, research side hustles that align with your interests and schedule. Diversifying income doesn't have to mean working around the clock. Even a small side gig can make a big difference over time. Use this extra income to pay off debt, boost savings, or invest in your future. By creating multiple income streams, you not only increase financial security, but also build resilience against potential job losses or pay cuts. Number 4. Upskill yourself. Recessions often lead to job cuts, so standing out in the job market is vital. Invest in yourself by learning new skills or enhancing existing ones. Identify in-demand skills in your field or industry and seek affordable resources like online courses on Coursera, Udemy, or YouTube. Many platforms even offer free certifications. Upskilling doesn't always mean technical skills. It can include soft skills like communication or time management. Join webinars, attend workshops, or read industry-related books. This not only boosts your resume, but also shows employers that you're adaptable and proactive. If you're considering a career shift, use this time to explore new fields with growth potential. Continuous learning keeps you competitive and opens doors to new opportunities, ensuring you remain indispensable even during tough times. Number 5. Avoid high-interest debt. Debt can be a heavy burden, especially during a recession. Start by paying off high-interest loans and credit card balances as quickly as possible. Focus on one debt at a time, using strategies like the snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first, or avalanche method, tackling the highest interest debt first. Avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary, and always read the fine print before borrowing. If you're struggling with existing debts, consider refinancing or consolidating to secure lower interest rates. Building an emergency fund alongside debt repayment can prevent reliance on credit in emergency. A debt-free lifestyle not only saves you money on interest, but also provides peace of mind, allowing you to navigate financial challenges with greater confidence and stability. Number 6. Stock up on essentials. Preparing for potential shortages or price hikes is a smart move during a recession. Focus on stocking up gradually on essential items such as non-perishable foods, toiletries, medicines, and cleaning supplies. Look for sales or discounts to save money while building your stockpile. Avoid panic buying or hoarding. Buy only what you need for a few months. Consider practical storage solutions to keep items organized and accessible. Additionally, think about energy efficiency. Replace old light bulbs with LEDs or insulate windows to lower utility bills. Preparing doesn't just mean physical goods. It also includes knowledge. Learn basic skills like cooking from scratch or minor home repairs. A well-planned approach ensures you're equipped to handle surprises, saving you stress and money when times get tough. Number 7. Strengthen your network. During tough times, your network can be one of your greatest assets. Reach out to friends, family, colleagues, and mentors regularly. Strengthening these relationships doesn't mean asking for favors, but being genuinely supportive and staying connected. Professional networking is equally important. Attend industry events, join LinkedIn groups, or participate in online forums related to your field. Let people know about your skills and availability. Many job opportunities arise through word of mouth. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Offer help when you can, and it's more likely to be reciprocated. Building a strong network ensures you have people to turn to for advice, job leads, or moral support, making it easier to weather the uncertainties of a recession. Number 8. Invest wisely. Recessions can be opportunities for long-term investors. If you have savings and are financially stable, consider investing in assets like index funds, real estate, or high-quality stocks. The key is to think long-term and avoid panic selling during market fluctuations. Research thoroughly before investing and diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Reinvest dividends or profits to maximize returns over time. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes or high-risk ventures. Recessions are not the time for speculative investments. If investing feels overwhelming, consult a financial advisor for guidance. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over the years. By staying calm and strategic, you can build wealth during a recession and emerge financially stronger when the economy recovers. Number 9. Focus on mental health. Financial stress during a recession can take a toll on your mental well-being. Prioritize self-care by establishing routines that promote physical and emotional health. Exercise regularly, as it helps reduce stress and improve mood. Practice mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing to manage anxiety. Stay connected with loved ones for emotional support, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Set boundaries to avoid burnout, especially if you're juggling multiple jobs or responsibilities. Take time for hobbies or activities you enjoy to maintain balance. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your financial health. A positive mindset helps you make better decisions and face challenges with resilience, ensuring you thrive no matter the circumstances. Number 10. Embrace a frugal lifestyle. Frugality doesn't mean deprivation. It means being resourceful and intentional with your spending. Start by distinguishing between wants and needs. Look for ways to save without sacrificing quality. Cook meals at home instead of dining out, shop secondhand, or DIY projects instead of hiring help. Embrace practices like energy conservation to lower utility bills. Frugality also involves finding free or low-cost entertainment like community events or outdoor activities. Use cashback apps or loyalty programs to stretch your dollars further. The goal is to get the most value out of every dollar while staying aligned with your priorities. A frugal mindset helps you live comfortably within your means, creating financial freedom and reducing stress, even during the toughest economic times. A recession may bring challenges, but it also offers opportunities. By following these 10 tips, you'll not only weather the storm, but thrive in the aftermath. Take action today. Your future self will thank you. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support helps us share more tips and strategies to help you navigate life's challenges. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.